This is a bike that can be adjusted to your needs and to wherever you're at in your rehab progress. So you have a seat that adjusts to you. You have pedals that adjust up and down. So you can totally determine how much pressure is going to go onto that leg. And you can even judge for yourself, is this too much for me right now? And I need to back up. So maybe you're backing up the seat, or maybe you're putting the pedals down. When I first started, the seat was back as far as it could go and I could reach, and the pedals were at their lowest possible level. And honestly, that was a challenge, just getting through it. The good thing was there wasn't pain. There was an uncomfortableness to it because now the leg is moving and all of a sudden it's starting to flex. So there was that, the uncomfortable feeling, but there wasn't pain. As I used the bike more and more, I would move the seat up, I would move the pedals up. Sometimes the pedals came up, sometimes the seat came up. Sometimes I turned up the resistance. So there is a very specific guide that is given to you, and it actually shows you and demonstrates to you, hey, if you're comfortable now at this stage and your knee's not hurting, guess what? You can go to the next level.